Welcome back to MT Crypto. Today we're taking a look at Bitcoin. And let's just get straight into it because a lot of you guys out there really want to know what's going on with Bitcoin and what my thoughts are of what's going to happen right now. And looking at this Bitcoin chart, you can see that we've been going down for a while. And a lot of people in this space are getting worried about everything's going to zero, Bitcoin is going to die, and no, just just forget about all those crazy stories. Today here we're taking a look at what is really going on, because we were right here at around this 57k area, and then we got a huge drop down, right? So when looking at this, we got our levels of support and resistance zones up here. And simply by looking at the candles, you can actually determine a lot of things if you know how to read these candles as well. My candles are set for Heikin candles, and as you can see right now, what happened here the last couple of days here is that we are in this smaller downtrend, and right now we're actually testing some degree of resistance right here. You can see we poked this resistance, we went up, we did fall back down underneath this resistance zone right here, and now we have a new attempt up again. So we have a lot of attempts up, which is a good sign. This could be a sign of a reversal, a sign of getting strength back here, right? And you can see also this trend line here is representing the downtrend that we have been having here the last couple of days, right? So if we can come up, test this, and then actually be able to poke this and go through this and move up, then we would be heading towards this 49k area right here, in my opinion. And I think it's very likely that we are actually going to test and go up here, because we've been poking this so many times now. And also we are currently, the last couple of days in a small sort of downtrend with the price action. You can see we're coming down here, and when reading the candles, you can see, okay, here the sellers are getting, stopping to sell here, getting exhausted, right? And the next candle that we have here is an indecision candle, meaning that it opened and closed in the middle of this area. In the middle of this candle, we opened and closed for this 4-hourly candle, okay? And then we went into the next candle, we got a little bit of upside, and then we formed this candle right here, which is a dragonfly doji candle, meaning that we have potentially we're potentially going to reverse now and heading into the next candle. We got some upside, then we have a little bit of sell-off again, and with this being said, we could see maybe this also turning into a candle like this one, that is the dragonfly candle, right? If we can just stay above this area, and when this 4-hourly candle closes in about half an hour or something, then we would have another dragonfly, and then the next candle will open up, and if we get a push up again, we could go through this support line here, or trend line. We could break this, and then we will head towards the 49k area, and then everybody's talking about the golden 50k 500 area right here. I think I actually accidentally moved this a little bit there. Okay, so everybody's talking about that being a very tough resistance, because it's an influence or conflux point of all of this action going around here, which is somewhere around here, the volume cluster. So yeah, it is a very strong resistance, but at least if we could get up here, that could be the first sign of breaking this two days downtrend that we're in, which is my opinion on this right now. And also when looking at this longer downtrend, you can see this trend line here. When we once we broke this, we did have some upside right here, but not as much volume as we would prefer to see breaking a pattern like this. But at least we try to pull up here and get above the SMA lines, and everything that's going on right here. So now we're going to wait and see half an hour and such, and see when this candle closes. The next 4-hourly candle, are we going to be able to break this trend line right here? Which is my opinion right now, guys. Now remember to subscribe and like this video, and I'll just see you guys in the next one, and I'll try to keep you updated on Bitcoin, what's happening. Okay, thank you, bye.